What did the Fed think this week? Well, let's find out next. Just have a little bit of tea. Just want to let you know, hey, looking at the market this week, the Fed did meet on Wednesday. So it got a little crazy. He did raise the interest rates by 0.25. Now, this quarter point in interest rate hike did not affect mortgage interest rates. It affected it in the negative, you'd say, because everybody's thinking, hey, the Fed short-term interest rates going up. Oh my gosh, the sky is falling. This is not the truth. What happens is he's raising that Fed interest rate. He's actually fighting inflation, and inflation is a killer to mortgage interest rates. So we actually got a bump. I'm going to show you how much we have moved in the last month, not even to mention how much we've moved this week. Like I was saying, the Fed met this week. Interest rates went up 0.25 on the short-term interest rates, which, guys, that affects what we're borrowing from the bank. I mean, your local bank for your cars, credit cards, etc. So watch out for that. So looking at this week, I'm going to show you on the screen here where I'm pointing at. Matter of fact, I'll go ahead and mark this up for you. So right about here, we hit the beginning of the week, and we moved about 70 basis points. This equivalates to approximately an eighth, maybe a quarter an interest rate better on your long-term mortgage rates. So you can see where the Fed sort of met over here. It went right up right after he met. So this is the falsification, I call it there. When you see the media saying, hey, mortgage interest rates are going up because the Fed's raising the interest rates, blah, blah, blah. They just want you to bait and click. That's all that really is. Those guys are not professionals. They do not know what's going on. So, I'm going to watch here. So, if we look back on March 9th. So, we go all the way back to March 9th till today. We have an increase of 200 basis points. Now, that is probably pretty close to about 1% lower in interest rates. So, if we started back here and let's say we were at 6.625%, we might be down, closer to the 5.99, 6.125, somewhere in that range, guys, with that nice move. Now, the trend, we're seeing with the treasuries, etc. You get the 10-year note sitting here at 3.38. Just a little bit ago, it was at 4. So we've come down a long ways. It was flirting with 4 there for a while. And now it's already down to 3.38. So interest rates have dropped. It's been a good week. It's actually been a really good month for rates dropping. And so it's time to look at your options. Well, everyone, that's it for this week. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Leave some comments if you guys want to go a little bit deeper, or you have a subject line that you want to talk about. Otherwise, I'll see you later.